Welcome to AsyncCode. Welcome back to the channel, friends. If you're loving the content, be sure to like and subscribe. Python script creates a simple graphical user interface, GUI, that displays a random anime poster and its title using data from the Jikan API, which provides access to MyAnimeList information. It begins by randomly selecting an anime ID from a predefined list of popular titles, then sends an HTTP request to retrieve the anime's details. The script extracts the image URL and title from the JSON response, downloads the poster image, and converts it into a format compatible with Tkinter. First, we import the requests library to make HTTP requests to the Jikan API. Now we import PL's tools to handle image data, downloading, resizing, displaying. We use I/O to convert raw image bytes into something PL can understand. Tkinter will help us build a simple graphical window for showing the anime poster. Let's create our main application window using Tkinter. Give the window a nice, descriptive title. Here, we define a list of popular anime IDs from MyAnimeList. We'll randomly pick one of these to show an image from. Let's import random so we can choose a random anime ID from the list. Pick one anime ID at random from the list. Build the API URL to get the anime details using the chosen ID. Send a GET request to Jikan API to fetch info about the selected anime. Convert the JSON response to a Python dictionary so we can extract data. Get the anime's image URL from the JSON data, the large version of the poster. Send another request to download the actual image data from the URL. Extract the raw image bytes from the response. Convert the raw bytes into an actual image object using PIL. Tkinter needs a special image format, so we convert the PIL image into that. Create a label widget to hold and show the anime poster. Add the image label to the window with a little padding around it. Now let's get the anime's title from the data so we can show it too. Create a label widget for the title and give it a bigger font for visibility. Add the title label to the window under the image. Start the Tkinter main loop. This keeps the window open and interactive. Now run our code. That's all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.